Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix a Mercedes Benz screen that went black. The first step is to perform a soft reset. Press and hold the power button, which is the rotary dial, or the CD eject button for 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding until the Mercedes logo appears on the screen. This often restores the display without any tools, and if the soft reset does not work, try power cycling the vehicle. Turn off the engine and remove the key fob, or step away from the car if you have keyless go. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the command or MBUX system to fully shut down and reboot. Next, check the fuses. Look in the fuse box, which is usually in the engine bay or the trunk. Inspect for any blown fuses related to the infotainment or command system. Replace any fuse that is damaged with the correct type. It is also important to check the battery voltage. A weak 12-volt battery can cause the screen to go black or fail to turn on. Make sure the battery is healthy and fully charged. If it is old or low, recharge or replace it and try the previous steps again. If the screen still does not work after these steps, the issue may be a hardware or software problem with the infotainment system. In that case, it is best to take your Mercedes to an authorized service center or a qualified mechanic for further diagnostics and repair. Thanks for watching.